Hi everyone, let's see how we can install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. To get started, simply open your browser and search for vscode. From the search results, go to this web page. From here, click on Download for Windows. Now simply double click on the setup file. Accept the license agreement from here and click on next. Click on next again. Next. Now check mark all these boxes. Click on next. Click on install now. Now keep this box check marked and click on finish and wait for the Visual Studio Code to launch. That's it. Now make the necessary changes as per your preferences and you are good to go to use VS Code. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.